All right, so let me show you how you can use ChatGPT and combine it with the other here, with this pretty much Midjourney AI. And you can create a Facebook creative with the image as well as the creative, as the text as well. So let's go right now to ChatGPT and let's ask it this question. I want you to write a Facebook ad copy to sell my protein powder. My target are pro bodybuilders, right? Pro bodybuilders. And let's wait for that. So it's going to write the description of the ad. Attention pro bodybuilders are looking for a high quality protein powder that can help you build muscle and recover faster. Look no further. Our protein powder is specifically formulated for specific. All right, so I can tell it, please include a title, a subject line, and some calls to action, and be more persuasive to get more clicks. Okay, so subject line, build muscle and recover faster with our premium protein powder. Attention. All right, so right now it wrote me the entire script. So I can go right now to OpenAI and I can, not OpenAI, I'm sorry, I actually sometimes just make a mistake between OpenAI and Midjourney. So I can go to Midjourney and I can ask it this question. I can say, imagine protein powder great, and I can say something like for the strong bodybuilders with a gym background of Sparta. So I can say something like that, and let's just wait for it to deliver, right? So it's going to take a little bit of time before it delivers. So what I can do right now, I can go to Canva and I can set the things up. So I can close this window. And what you need to do when you go to Canva is you need to create a design. But first of all, do not use custom size. Search for Facebook ad. Okay, search for Facebook ad, and it's going to give you the exact size of a Facebook ad image. All right, so this is the image, because I want to take that image that will be generated by the AI and I want to put it here, right? And I want to just edit it on Canva. So where's my image? Okay, so there you go. This is my image. This is my bodybuilding protein powder. Now, I happen to like the first, or maybe the first or the last, or I don't know. Maybe the last one, okay? Maybe the last one. So I can go and upscale the third and fourth. So it's going to upscale 2. And I can use that image and put it on Canva, and I can start editing that image on Canva. You know, while we're doing this, some other people are also creating designs for websites. You can see that they're generating some amazing looking images right there. All right, so this is just an amazing tool. So right now we got our image. So I can just download this image. All right, download the image, and I can go and take it to Canva right now, right? And you can, on Canva, you can modify the image. Now, I'm pretty sure here that this Facebook ad looks kind of suspicious. So Facebook Shops ad, Facebook Story ad, Facebook Feed ad, Facebook ad. All right, so, well, that's the size maybe. That's the size in the app. This is the size in the shop, Facebook Story ad. All right, so I'm gonna upload the image which I've just downloaded now. So upload image. There you go. I can put it right there, and I can use this image now as part of my ad. So I can make it bigger, and I'll remove the background from it. So I'm gonna go edit image, background remover. and we'll give it our own background here. So I'm going to give it my own background. So now click apply, and I'm going to make it bigger a little bit. I'm going to go to elements, search for gym background. There you go. So let's take maybe a specific good looking gym background here, photos instead of just those. And I want to take, right, I want to take a photo here. So maybe this one, make it a little bit bigger, position it backward. There you go. So we got our protein powder image for the ad image for the ad that we're going to run on Facebook. Now, obviously, I'm not going to run it right now, but I'm just telling you. So you can download this right now. And there you go. So right now with ChatGPT, what we created was the Facebook creative or Facebook description for the ad as well as the title for the ad. And right now we got our image using AI. So what are you thinking about? Give me a shout out in the comments, in the comment section or in the review section, the Q&A as well. And please let me know what you think about this ChatGPT thing, because it just makes me crazy. I just love this tool so much.